nangyari ng araw. Or PM, parang high school na akong. So, all over our country was in chaos. That fateful day, February 25, 1986. Tama? Yes, I could remember, and one of my cousin, being a graduate of 84, he's a Philippine Air Force helicopter pilot, and one of the trustee of then Colonel Grigo Nasa, which is from here, in Sorsogon. Siya yung, I just want to share with you the experience that was told to me by my cousin. Then First Lieutenant Gregorio rin, Gregorio, kita niya Panelo, pilot, security pilot. He was the one who bombed Malacanang. I'm not bragging, but I'm very much unfortunately for him. He was charged. He was his head was or his personality. He was given a reward of his county or a head, 500,000 level. Kita niya? So he was misled. I don't know if he was misled or that fateful day, it was an act of heroism for them. But in the end, it is our country that would be suffering. The people will be suffering, for all of us. Madami na tayo lahat. But then, we are still young. We don't know what is right and wrong. Even those who graduated from the academy was then still in, I don't know if they are misled or sabi ko nga, is that an heroic event or heroic act? Sum it all, I would like to encourage everybody to be consistent to our laws, consistent to our policies, and be consistent with our decorum and character. By that, we have a guide with a path to correct on. We have base and our foundation. Here in the training center, consistent is always the key for success. I would like to share to you my thesis of consistency. One is caution. Caution means not looking for fault, but caution is reminding that we are swindling right or left. Sabi ko nga, there is a path, and that path is straight. If you are aware, if I'm walking, I seldom or I am very much fun or not fun, but I love to caution those personnel, trainees, and the police students who are not wearing their proper uniform, standing at one leg, and even not saluting officers. That is due for that courtesy. It always boils down with consistency. Another thing is command. When I caution, I command. That command, it entails exercise. It entails, buti na nga, exercise na lang ngayon. Nung araw, another way around. When we are caution, it takes command. And that command of the record would be a verbal command Papawis or a physical command. Body contact. But now, wala na yan. And that command entails what? That is a to remind you that you have what? Violate the standard or violate some policy that could be what? Jeopardize the policy of this training center. And the other C is that I'm talking about is to be consistent. Caution, command, and to be consistent. Consistent about what? Of course, sabi ko na kanina, consistent about the policy, the standard. So it boils down to three C's. Caution, command, to be consistent. With that, thank you very much and good morning.
Yes, the message. And